Guess where we're at? Woo! We finally made it, guys. This is old school. Look at that. Wow. All right. Kayla and I have been talking about this place for the longest time, and we're finally here. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're here at our location. Finally, we made it. It's totally fine. We're here at Salton Sea. We're gonna explore as many buildings as we could possibly can, because this location has a ton. So
we also need to be careful here.
Yeah, why? We gotta be careful because there still are individuals living here, so we don't want to be respectful. And
most likely we won't do 360 for that
yeah,
reason.
for the privacy of them. But I know some of you out there be like, yes. But this is gonna be a POV recording.
And I have my camera now.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have different
footages and stuff like that. But let's get to it, guys. Let's go. All right, so you're gonna check that out?
Yeah.
All right. Be careful. Love you. Bye. Let's go over here. It's a little backstory of Salton Sea. This used to be a test grounds for the military, and they would try out, you know, all sorts of explosions. Yeah. All right, whatever should we come here in peace. I don't mean to disrespect anything, but yeah, they would use the sea as their that totally got me. But yeah, they would literally just like drop drop explosions over there to test it out. And this was an area where they would practice their aerial flights and all that during World War II. There has been like rumors of still like a nuclear bomb still somewhere in there that hasn't diffused. So yeah, okay, might keep it in this film, might not, but don't quote me. It's something that I've heard, and all the material, all the waste and all that has been jacking it up, or it has been tampering with the ecosystem inside there. So there's a theory that because of all the chemicals, it's residing back, but I'm not too sure. There's a whole big scandal on it, and we just want to, if you want to go look and search for yourselves, guys, go for it. But like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep it on here or not. Don't quote me. All right, here we go. It's like an outhouse? Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see how far up we could go on this thing. Well, here we are at the rooftop. See, people, I mean, they still come down here to, of course, go into the sea, but there's a lot of toxicity in the waters. That's the garage. Don't doubt yourself. One day you're going to look back and be proud you didn't give up. I like that. I like that a lot. This artist is like everywhere. place must have something, or still has something. And the candles up there. Imagine the love we could all have if we let our egos at the door. Oh, left. Whoops. Left our egos at the door. Alright. We're just gonna cover this real quick and head out to the next location because there's a lot more.
Carlos is over there. This is so cool. If you guys hear anything or see anything, let us know. Oh my god, these birds keep scaring me. Okay. It's cleared. Oh, that's so cool. Look. There's like a circus truck over there. That's gross. A bottle full of urine. But I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. We're gonna try our best to get like different footage. Sorry, I'm also taking pictures. So I will be stopping or pausing every now and then. Please, Lord, don't let anyone come up to me, because it looks like I'm alone, and I'm this little tiny 5'1" person. Look at that. That's so cool. Hello? I know no one's in here, but spiritually, hello? Whatever's here, you do not have permission to touch me. Be respectful. Thank you. Yeah, let me know if you hear anything. I'm sure we will use the app, but I think when we use the app, I will stop recording and just have that on Carlos's camera. Sounds like someone else is pulling up. Let me see real quick. No, we're okay. I hope I'm moving slow enough. I'm not too sure. If there's anything here, you can talk to me. Hello. But you cannot touch me, so if there's anything here, can you say something? That's the wing. I wonder if someone sleeps in here. Now I see staircase over there. I kind of want to see if I can get up there.
Whoa. Why am I always drawn to like bees? Check this out. Oh, that honey smells good. I could literally smell the honey. That smells so sweet. Here, you guys are gonna get close, okay? Here we go, everyone. I am not a beekeeper. I'm not a bee expert. That's cool. Oh my gosh. God's funny. That smells so good. You're sweating? I'm enjoying myself. I smell a lot of delicious honey.
Are there bees?
Look at her face. Come here.
No.
I want you to come over here so you can smell this. It smells so good.
No, I swear. If you like...
This is a huge hive. All of it. You see all this patch right here? That's all bees.
Okay.
Come over here.
No.
That smells so good.
I'll gladly take your picture.
A thumbs up right next to the bees. You gotta do it. Like, real quick.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on. So impatient. I like how we can joke around with each other. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? It's my way trying to ease her to come over here. That's kind of working. Here she comes.
I like how we can joke around with each other.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it?
I'm so happy. I was like, you do this side.
Here, like right there by the fan shields.
Yeah.
That, and you can take my picture. I'm gonna give a thumbs up before they hopefully don't sting me. Oh no, they're focused on this thing. Don't worry, you're good. All right, here we go. That honey smells so good, Hale. Like it smells really sweet. You ready to take a picture?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, here we go. All right, guys. I'm gonna put you guys on pause for a second. No, I'm gonna have to go because I think the warrior bees are kind of being a little irritated. I've gone upstairs for a little bit, but it's not safe.
Okay.
You already got that side?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
We literally just left the other location, which is across the street, and here we are at another one. So we're just gonna take a look.
Whoa, the kitchen is still like... That's cool. Oh, that's why I forgot my mask. No. I think that will give me more damage then. What does it say?
Mad soul.
Hmm.
Look at this. Ah, so it looks like those artists.
Oh, yeah,
from the
yeah,
grocery
yeah.
store to here.
Yeah, the liquor store.
There you go. I was coming in.
Yeah. I hear a bee. Now you know how I feel. This is cool though, how some of the kitchen is still like intact. Oh look, there's the bee again.
Oh, the girl's there.
We should look her up. That was in 2019.
Hmm.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay. What is that?
Frijoles? Those are beans. See, so what we're gonna do is basically just walk around, well, not walk around, like drive around, and just find random locations just to pick up on what we get.
Mm-hmm. I really want to go to, there's a abandoned, like drive-in movie theater here.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
And it has a bunch of like old cars. Oh.
Nah, I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah,
Peekaboo. I'm joking.
you scared me. It smells in here.
Yeah. Don't smell too much.
Yep.
It does smell like urine.
Could you hold this?
Yeah. I mean, it's quite peaceful out here, I gotta say.
Take a couple pictures. This is fun.
This is. So let's see what else we could find here in Salton Sea. All right.
On to the next.
On to the next, folks.